Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday, March 10th, I believe, and today I really don't know what we're doing. I know that we're probably gonna go to my mom. Well, I know we're gonna eat breakfast, but this is my makeup look today, guys. I did it really fast. So, but yeah. I'll see you guys in the car. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new
vlog.
So right now we're gonna go wash the truck. Yesterday we went off-roading and late at night he went to go wash it from the bottom, but obviously the body is still very dirty, So we are currently right now just at the car wash. My hubby is just drying the truck up. I think we're gonna go to Famous Dave's. We go to the, looks so white. Why do I look so white? We go to the one in Redlands. This is my makeup today, guys. I did it so fast. Going to eat to Famous Dave's now. This is my all-time favorite barbecue restaurant. It's really nice outside, huh?
Oh, that's paid? Okay.
So this is the one we get, guys. It's for 2 people, but it really feeds 4. 2 adults and 2 kids. And it comes with like a bunch of crap. It's really good. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Open it. These little chips are so bomb. This is what we get. Came to the grocery store really quick to get my mom some tortillas. She needs bread or not. I'm not take bread. So yeah. She says she wants wings at the end. I'm gonna take her these.
Yo, qué chistosa.
You guys.
Vaya a seguirnos toda.
You guys.
Bueno.
Mommy. You guys, I want to take this video, but I got this gold rock.
Gold rock, nice.
Let's put it right here.
Oh, Edwin's right there.
I look skinny today.
No más.
For real.
Que ya lava la mano.
We vlogging over here.
Porque tú dijiste que la mano te está
Oh, está bien.
Ya.
¿Cómo está, hija?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien. Vamos,
Cuidado,
papi.
papá.
It's hot right there, papá.
Se quema.
Este para acá.
Pollo, papá. No, pollo. Un pollo.
Alex
I got
says
my
that if you can make them some more
magical
drinks,
rocks, you guys.
That hit me up or that stuff will come through.
You
Did
guys.
he hit you up?
Yeah.
What did he tell you?
Magical rock.
That was like,
All
where's
right,
the invite? I was
show.
like, I was like,
Tell
pull
them
up.
what you did today at
I
grandma's.
got the drinks right
I
there
sleep
too.
my
You didn't buy
grandma.
anything?
I got a bracelet.
Do we
And
still
I
have that other
sleep
bottle
good.
too?
Yeah, we
You
still got
sleep
both the
good?
bottles.
¿Y dónde te llevó tu uncle?
Oh, then they can stop by and buy
And,
that shit anyway.
In the movies.
The movies.
But it's scary and
But he went to go
big.
take her to watch a scary movie.
Who?
You.
Oh yeah. Was it scary, baby?
Because I just close my eyes.
¿Te cerraba los ojos, Nani?
Yeah, though, you were watching the whole movie, huh, baby?
Mocosa.
It was like funny.
I didn't even know they came out with the Llorona.
No, it wasn't the Llorona.
Oh, what was it?
¿Cómo se llama la tía? La movie, tía?
That was the baby giant have shoes. Happy.
Dang, you little Hulk. Barbecue at my mama's house. Grandma?
What?
Recording grandma.
You guys, I am going to the water.
Lo que le digo a mi tía, que debe tener hambre porque está comiendo hasta gallinas. ¿Qué? Renee's just trying to make an excuse not to go. My eyelashes bugging me. Like,
Mommy,
what?
why are you wearing your boots on?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because I want to. She's asking me why am I wearing my boots.
¿Y papi también?
And él también.
¿Y papi no?
Sí, papi, sí.
Papi all wear those.
Papi's always wearing botas.
Yeah.
Nel.
Hi guys, you guys. Guys, I love you guys. Comment below if you want to go to the car or somebody else's car. You want to go to the black car or you want to go to the blue car? You want to go to the red car? You want to go to the...
Watch her in action, guys.
Yeah. What? Yeah, I know this one. Oh, real car. You guys, my baby brother, he loves to talk to look to the same thing. Look, hey, right. Let's go. Tía.
No sé. Ay, madre. Ya.
No carne, huesito.
Mommy, I love you, mommy.
I love you too, baby.
And say hola. Hola.